So this right here is our 11-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine. It's a digital tabletop ultrasonic cleaning machine. This is the basket of the 11-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine. The size of the basket is 10 inches in length, around 9 inches in width, and approximately 3 inches in height. So when you have to clean your product, you have to put the product inside the basket and then put the basket inside the ultrasonic cleaning machine. Here is the tank. The tank has a size of around 12 inches in length, around 9.5 inches in width, and approximately around 5.5 inches to 6 inches in depth. So after you fill the water inside the tank and switch on the machine will show a display like this. It's a completely digital display and it's very easy to understand. On the left hand side, you can see the actual temperature, that is the current value of the temperature in degrees Celsius, and the set value, that is 50 degree. So if we have to increase the heating temperature to up to 60 degree, you click on mode and then you press the up button to set it to 60. Now once the set temperature is set to 60, simply click heating option and you will see a heating icon here. So now the temperature will gradually rise to 60 degrees. Similarly, in the middle, you can see the cleaning timer. Just click on mode twice. It will say time, increase or decrease the cleaning time. So I'm just decreasing it up to say around 10 minutes. And once the time is set, you can switch on the power on button so that the ultrasonic will start. So I'm going to do that for you. So the machine is going to make an alarm sound 5 times. That's a cycle and buzzer, and that allows you to understand that now the cycle time that you had set for around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is over now, and now you can take out the parts from the ultrasonic cleaning system. There is a drain valve here. When the parts are already clean and the cleaning cycle is over and the chemical is visibly dirty, you can just simply open the drain valve and take the liquid out from the tank. But you have to switch off the machine first before removing all the solution.